Hey, close-up photography. This is what I mean by getting close. That is getting close. But let's take a look at just wandering around the room. What can I get that's close up? Well, is this close up? Not necessarily, but let's make this look like an interesting composition. I like how I am filling the frame with nothing but these bands, and maybe I need a focal point in there, or maybe it just becomes texture and color repeated. Okay, and now I'm going to look over in this. Now that, not necessarily a good close-up. Let's get really close and fill the frame so it becomes repetitive and becomes more like pattern. Okay, now let's take a look outside at what we can do. Come with me, children. Okay. Well, got some leaves here. Let's get really close, and also let's pay attention to composition. Now I've filled my frame with green and lines and texture. All right, let's go find another one. Oh, check that out. Do not eat that mushroom. Let's see if we can get something to look good. Okay. There we go. And I like that. I'm using rule of thirds. I have the mushroom here is on 1/3 of the frame. Also, I'm careful not to get that fence in the frame because that would kind of ruin it by distracting us. Let's see if we can find something else. Look at this leaf. Now let's just zoom in. There we go. What I'm looking for is a good composition, and maybe I would take something like that, but then I would keep going to see what else I could come up with. I'm not super impressed. I like this because I have two different colors. Hi. And now you can see we have the orange on 1/3 and then the green on 2/3 of the picture. So I'm also paying attention to composition.